Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prash Fashions and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints on tussar and some semi-tussar is also there. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please follow our page to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. And COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So let's display the sari. This is the sari number 1 and as you can see it's a multicolored shaded on the body and the palla. This is a partly pallu design. So how it will look I'll just show. So this is the print as you can see which comes through the pallu. So this is the triangle designs which comes to the pallu and this is all over body and the same design which is on the pallu, the same design which will come to the pleats also. So how it will look I'll just show. So we have 2-3 colors in the same design in different shade. So how it will look I'll just show. So just see. So this is the pleats, this is the palla and all over body the color as you can see it's a brown, grey and some maroonish red. So this is the all over look of the sari and BP. This is the blouse piece comes with the sari. Again the same design in different combination. So the color as you can see it's a maroon, mustard yellow and orange. The design will remain same, it's the same concept. So this is the palla, body and this will come to the pleats. Just have a look. It's a very nice color combination and the BP is, so this is the orange BP with border comes with the sari. This is again the same design in different combinations. So this time the color which has been used it's blue, froza and purple. So just have a look. So this is again the same partly pallu design. So this is a palla, body and pleats. So this is the pleats, palla and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. Number 4 and again it's a multicolored shaded pallu. As you can see the color combination it's a red, maroon, rani, grey and the corner to corner or rising pallu design. So just have a look at the striking pallu. So this is a multicolored shaded pallu and it's a rising design. So the color combination as you can see the base color it's a wine maroon with the red border, multicolored shaded and blouse piece. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Again the same design in different combination. So it's a royal blue, the base color with the multicolored shaded pallu. So this is again the same pattern, it's a rising. It's all pure Kachi tussar, silk mark certified and BP is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Move to the zari border tussar. So this is the base color, it's a red with the ajrak print. So just have a look. So this is the palla and all over body like this. Just see the color combination, the off-white, the off-white discharge outline with the grey and green. So this is the all over look and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. This is the kalamkari print which comes through the pallu and all over body. So this is a print, not painting, it's a print. The combination is orange with the blue. Just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari and this is all over multicolored shaded leaves design. So I'll show you the detailing of this print. So this is all over look and blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Again ajrak print, the color, the base color it's off white with the red palla border. So this is a new design on ajrak. So just see the color combination, the black outline with the red, green and mustard yellow. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just see the design and the flowy of the sari. It's a very soft. We don't put more starch. So this is a palla and BP. To the zari border tussar, so the combination, as you can see, it's firoza with the blue. So the concept of the sari is the plain with the plain body with the multicolor kalamkari BP. So I'll just show you the color combination first. So this is the firoza with the deep navy blue, and the BP it's a kalamkari painting. It's a kalamkari painting BP. Move to the another one. So this is a munga tussar, and the color combination, as you can see, it's a scarf part design with the striking color combination we have used on the jade black. The base color is a jade black, and palla BP will shibori. So just have a look. This is a palla of the sari, and this is the color combination. It's very striking. It's a very striking color combination on jade black with the silk zari border. So this is one of my favorite one. It's a very striking sari. People who love black, they must have this one, because personally I love this one very much. And just see the pallu, and all over body there is a mica work. All over body there is a mica work. It's a very soft. And the blouse is full shibori with the mica work, 4 sleeves. So this is the BP, comes with the sari. Move to the semi tussar. It's a semi tussar silk with the digital print, mica work and cut work with the zari border. This is the palla of the sari. As you can see, there is a cut work on the palla, and all over body it's a digital print. It's very soft. It's a semi tussar. Still is very soft. And I'll show you the detailing of this border. And all over body it's a digital print. Just have a look. And all over body there is a dense mica work. Just see the palla and see the flow of the sari. It's a very soft material, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece, comes with the sari. Is again the same design in different combination. So the base color it's a red, and with the multicolor floral with the same design. So this is the palla of the sari, and this is the all over look. Just see, it's a semi tussar silk and very lightweight, very soft, as you can see on the body. So just have a look. So there is a zari border, and all over there is a dense mica work. It's all done by hand, and this is the palla of the sari, and BP comes like this. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. And we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. We are open all day from Monday to Sunday from 11:30 till 8 o'clock. So thank you so much, and keep share the video.